Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In this series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called base 7. It is Leetcode question number 504. So you will be given an integer num, return a string of its base 7 representation. Okay, so it will be both positive as well as a negative integers. Fine. So if the given number is 100, then its equivalent base 7 is 202. If it is minus 7, then its equivalent base 7 is minus 10. Fine. First of all, you want to know how to convert a base 10 into a base 7, right? So I will be telling you that first, then we can go for the logic next. Fine. Now, if it is like 100, then the first step is to divide this by 7. If I divide this by 7, what is the quotient? The quotient will be 1, then 4, right? Then what is the remainder? Remainder will be 2. Just put like this. Now, again, just divide by 7. It will be 2 and 0. Now, whether I can further divide this by 7? No, just stop here. So, just go like this. So, first take this 2, then 0, then this 2. So, 202 is my base 7. Okay. Similarly, I want to again solve this example if you not understanding this example clearly, right? So just see here, if it is 273, then divided by 7 will lead to what? Here comes 3 and 9. Here comes the remainder as 0. Fine. Now again divide by 7. So here comes what? It is 5 table. Okay. And what is the remainder? Remainder will be 4. Okay. Now just take 540 base 7. So this is the logic, or this is the approach we want to do in our in our problem also. Fine. Okay, how to do this? So it is simple. First of all, take this 100. Now at first step, what we are doing, we are just separating the remainder and the quotient, right? So first of all, I want this remainder. So they want us to return in a string format, right? So I will be taking a string initially a empty string. Okay. Now just tell me, what should I do to come with a remainder? Here we want a remainder, right? So I want to put a mod operation with 7. So 100 mod 7 will be resultant of 2. That's the remainder, right? So this 2 will be replaced here. Okay. Now, just come up with me. 100 divided by 7, which is equal to what? 14. It is what? It is integer division. We should not take any decimal values. Okay, fine. Now, again take this 14. 14 mod 7, which is equal to what? It is equal to 0. Right? Because the remainder will be 0. So, now where should I add? Whether I should add 20 or 02. 02 is the correct, right? So I want to insert 0 here. So it will be something like 02. Can you understand this? Right? Because we are just taking this 0, next only we are taking this 2. Right? That's why I am just inserting this 0 before this 2. That's it. Hope you understand this. Right? Now the next step is just to take this 14 and divide by 7, which is equal to 2. Now again take this 2 mod 7, which is equal to 2. So 2 will be added front. Fine. Now again 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 0. Now what is my division result? It is 0. So stop here. Because the number is exhausted as 0. So at this point, the string is the return value, right? So this is for a positive value. Okay, fine. But it also consists of negative, right? It also consists of negative. Okay, for this positive and negatives, there should be a confusion, right? Okay, if it is negative, then there is a slight modification. If the same 100 gives 202, then minus 100 will give minus 202. That's it. Can you understand this? So for this negative cases, I want to just check whether the given number is negative or not. If it is negative, then I want to just return the value as negative. Else, I will return as a positive. Can you understand this? Okay. Now, what is the time complexity? So, time complexity will be O of log n base 7, because we are consistently dividing it by 7. Whenever we are dividing some value by some constant, then that constant will be in that base of that log n. Okay, or else if we are just multiplying it, then also it will be log n and base that something value. Okay, fine. Now space complexity will be over 1. That's it. So this is my space and time complexity analysis. Now let us jump into the code so that it will be more clear. So always prefer a Java code. Okay, so for Zoho interviews, Java should be must. Now first of all, if the given number is 0, then I want to return 0. Okay, that's the base case, because this is a edge case. Sorry, not a base case, it is edge case. Because whenever the number is 0, then the loop will not be executed, and what will be our result? It will be empty string. To avoid it, I am just returning the 0. Okay, fine. Now initially my sign will be positive, just 1. Okay, if the given number is negative, then I should change into negative, a -1. Okay, now num is equal to math dot abs of n, which means I am just taking the absolute value. What is my absolute value? If it is negative, negative number will be converted into positive. If it is positive, positive number will be remain same. Okay, now I am taking a string builder. Now while the given number is not equal to 0, then I should proceed. Okay, instead of this not equal to, you can also put greater than 0. That's also fine. Now int remainder is equal to num mod 7, then s dot insert of 0 comma rem, which means I am inserting the remainder at the front position. That's what I done in the drawing explanation also, right? Now at last I want to divide that number by 7 consistently in every iteration. Now at last I want to return the given string as it is if the sign is 1. If not, then I want to return by adding minus in front of the resultant string. That's it. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and check my YouTube channel. And if you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't skip any videos in this playlist. Just go around and watch every videos in this Zoho interview problems. Thank you.